How to mount and upgrade your bike with a Lightmove SE150. Mount the bracket to the light. Take the reflector and slide in between the light and bracket and fix with the bolt. Route the cable on the back side of the bracket and fix with a cable tie. After removing the old light, mount the Lightmove SE150 to the forks. Fix it and check the correct position. Check the right cable length and cut the old and new cable to need. Slide a 4:1 8mm heat shrink tube over the cable and cut the isolated wires around 11mm on both sides. For easy and quick connection, use the Lightmove CT22 connector and fix with pliers. Slide the heat shrink tube over the cable and shrink. Remove the motor cover and left crank. Remove the sealing cap from the Bros light port. Plug in the light cable and make sure it is fixed. Then mount the cover and crank.